So you're fed up with empty claims about earning cash online and the strategies that seem to work only for other people. Maybe you already tried jumping into things like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or Amazon FBA and realized it's not as simple as they say. Now you end up surrounded by motivational YouTube clips promising quick money, but reality is a bit different. So this video is here to save your time and your money. And yes, to show you the truth about how you can actually earn online. Stay until the end because I prepared something for you, and don't worry, I'm not selling anything. Like many others, I also began with several online attempts, and at first I believed it was simply about finding the perfect method. I tried offering services on Fiverr, but no one purchased them. I tried trading and lost everything, which made me wonder why it wasn't working for me. The answer is not that it fails, but that it doesn't work the same way for everyone. The truth is, nearly all ways of earning online can work, but each has its own learning process and needs some dedication. The real issue is not whether they work or not, but whether it is worth putting in time and money for each one. Some options may take months or even years before producing meaningful income. So the key question becomes which method can give real results without excessive spending of time, money, and effort. To answer this, I reviewed all the options available and found two business ideas that truly have strong potential, which I'll explain shortly. The online world is like a jungle. People will try to sell you anything, even courses teaching apps no one has heard of, claiming that investing $1,000 will make you instantly rich. Sounds crazy, but not every course is useless. What you should know is that most information inside courses is already available for free online just by searching on YouTube. What courses add is that everything is organized clearly, plus group support. There are certain terms that should raise concern. If you hear words like automatic, passive, guaranteed, easy, risk-free, or fast, it's very likely something is off. Not always, but close. The methods I found are automatic and guaranteed. Just joking. Let's begin with number 2, Kindle publishing. This model involves uploading books through Amazon's KDP system to sell them. You can use Amazon ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and spend money, or use a free option, which is TikTok. Let me explain further. If you search on TikTok using these hashtags, you'll notice many people actually selling books through Amazon. What they do is post 2 or 3 videos daily showing the book, trying to create viral content. Once they discover a format that works, they repeat it. This strategy works for many types of books, but especially well for journals, diaries, coloring books, and humor books, since they have strong viral potential. Imagine you create a book and price it at $16. This becomes your net profit. Now, suppose you make content and one video reaches 100K views. About 1% of those viewers purchase the book, so doing the math from that video, you could earn around 7K, which is quite good considering you invested almost nothing. Let's quickly summarize the steps. Create a KDP account, create your book, create a TikTok profile, publish the book, post 1 to 3 videos daily, and repeat content that performs well. Now, let's move to what I believe is the top online business, YouTube. There are channels that with just a few well-researched videos manage to build loyal audiences and generate strong income. To understand earnings on YouTube, it's important to know 2 main metrics. CPM shows how much advertisers pay per 1,000 monetized views. RPM represents the actual earnings a creator receives per 1,000 total views. Once you meet monetization requirements, YouTube allows you to earn from ads appearing in your videos. But that's not the only income source. What you should do is choose a niche you enjoy and that can be profitable. Next, research to identify your target audience. Then create the video, including script, editing, voiceover, title, description, and tags. You can outsource this part or handle it entirely yourself. Finally, publish the video. After posting, focus on CTR and audience retention. The higher these are, the more YouTube will recommend your content to others. The key to success on YouTube is making videos people click on and watch until the end. Both methods work as long as you are ready to invest time in them. Set clear income goals. If your aim is to build a side income that supports your studies, you can manage alone. But if you aim higher, then you should consider outsourcing seriously because delegation is the best way to scale. Don't expect a straight path. You will face challenges along the way. Each time you overcome one, you gain new skills and, more importantly, awareness. So when you face the same issue again, you'll already know how to handle it. You can choose wisely which one to start. Share your experience with online businesses below, and see you in the next video.